How to do a voiceover on TikTok. Hi! For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to do a voiceover on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is actually updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in or search for the application, the TikTok application. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And here, as you can see, I don't have an update button, meaning that my TikTok is actually updated. Now, if your application is already ready or is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. Let's go back to the home page and open the TikTok application. On the bottom part, you will see a plus sign here. Click on that and start to record. Now, if you're already done with that, you click on the check mark here. And then on the right side, you will see different icons. On the right side, you will see different icons such as text, stickers, effects. Now, if you scroll all the way down here, you will see voiceover. You click on the voiceover. And here you could actually set where you want to start your voiceover or where you want to put your voiceover here. Let's say you want to start around here. All you have to do is tap on the button below, or you could long press to record. Now for now I am actually talking, and the red part here, as you can see, is the voiceover part. Now if we look into the bottom part, you will see a keep original sound. So if you want to mute the video sound and only have your voiceover, all you have to do is to uncheck that and then click on save. I actually muted this video, but my voiceover is already in the video. And basically that is it. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you found So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and if it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions you may have in the comments section, and have a great day.